Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out some of my other videos, and I also hope you subscribe to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Today's video I'm reviewing and doing a design on a set of 9D cat eye gel polishes. I will do some swatches for you, and then I'm going to show you how to do a design without using the magnets. So this is the set. It comes with 6 bottles. I believe the Pretty Diva brand is Miss Cheering's sister brand. So yeah, I don't know why I have a Pretty Diva bottle in here, but that's what I received. And I did reach out to the company before I did this review, and I did express I received 5 polishes brand Miss Cheering and 1 polish brand Miss Pretty Diva. And there was no response. There was a response, but that was not addressed. So I guess it's okay to address that verbally in the video. But I did receive this to review. They asked me to do a video, and they did provide a link with the discount code below. Overall, how I feel about this set is, I think if you want to try the 9D cat eye polishes, but you don't want to spend a lot of money, then I would get this set. I know a lot of polishes, you can buy the colors individually, you can buy them as a set, whatever, but this one is good if you just want the smaller bottles, you want to see if you like it, you want to see if this is something you want to invest in for yourself or your services or what have you. So if you do like the colors in the set, which I'm doing swatches of now, definitely use the link down below. So one thing that I have learned with using the 9D cat eye polishes is if you don't get the design you like, all you have to do is go over the polish again with your brush and it'll bring back all the color. So just make sure you're not adding more polish, you're wiping all the polish off the brush before you go back in, and just go over what you've already painted, and it'll bring back all the color. And you can see me do that a couple times in this video. So I'm gonna do the swatches, and then the next part of the video is my design. So what I mean by doing the design without any magnets, I just used this as a gel polish. I didn't use the magnets to make any of the design. So it's all just done with a polish. So keep watching for that. That is coming up soon. Okay, so you can see all the colors here, and you can see the color shift in some of the polishes. So what I did was I have already did a base coat and I cured that for 60 seconds. Then I did a layer of black gel polish, which I also cured for 60 seconds. And I'm just painting on the gel polish, the 9D cat eye gel polish, and I'm not using any magnets for this design. I am gonna go in with some glitters, some chunky glitters that I got from Michael's. It was like, with the exception of the gold, the colored glitters I'm using came in a set. I think it was like 6 different colors. And so I'm just placing those on the nail. and I'm going to cure everything. Every layer is cured for 60 seconds with the exception of my top coat. I always cure that for 2 minutes. So you see me applying the glitters here, and these don't lay smooth, so you can I'm putting them into the wet gel polish. So if you're putting them into the wet gel polish, you want to cure after that layer. And once that comes out of the lamp, you can do a couple of different things. You can encapsulate that with the builder gel, you can encapsulate that with poly gel, acrylic, whatever. And that's just to give you the smooth finish on the nail on top. What I'm going to do is do a thick layer of the top coat, cure that for 2 minutes. I did a really thick layer, and then I'll just go in and do some finish filing around the sides of the nail, and then I'm gonna buff the surface of the nail, wipe off all the dust, and then do the top coat again. So what that does is it just smooths out, takes off any glitter that's poking out. It just smooths off that top layer. Unless you want a texture nail, you don't have to do it this way. You can just top coat from here, but that would irritate my soul if I had to feel that texture of the glitter through my top coat. So you can probably do 2 coats of top coat or encapsulate it with builder gel or builder gel in a bottle, you know, whatever you do to encapsulate. But again, I just went in with the thick coat of top coat, cured that for 2 minutes, buffed the surface, took the dust off, and then re-top coated and cured. So that's what I did here. My favorite nail, I love how the thumb came out. That was my favorite nail out of all of the nails, and I kind of wish I would have done the whole set the way that I did the thumb. So I might actually do that design on myself. I know that it's spring and I know that these colors are darker, but you can wear whatever you want on your nails whenever you want. You're the one that's wearing it, you're the one that's looking at it, so as long as you like it, it doesn't really matter. So what else do I want to add about the design? Oh, I'm using my flexi hand, and the nails I'm using on the flexi hand is the XVX gel system. I did do a review on that, and I will link that in the cards above. And what I determined from using that system is this is probably going to be what I use in a lot of the videos on just my design videos. I reviewed the kit. For me, I didn't want to use the kit on my nails. For me, that's just my personal opinion, but I think I really like how they look in my flexi hand. So I do have a video showing me applying those full coverage tips from the XVS system on my flexi hand. And again, that will be linked in the cards above. What I have on my nails now is a video I did. I believe that video was posted Saturday. Regardless, I'll link it in the cards above. But that was with Burano's kit of builder gel, and it was the builder gel with the precision tips. So I'll link that video as well. So it's been about a week since I've had these nails on, and they're holding up. I'm still working, but I'm working from home, so still using, I'm doing a lot of typing with my nails. But you know, I've been home, so I haven't really been like driving or going anywhere. So the nails are holding up as good. I'm not getting I say that to say I'm not putting a lot of wear on the nails right now, just because I've been home. We've all been home, but they still look nice. The top coat still looks shiny. That was the Burano top coat. And for me, I'm home and I'm kind of bored already. So I'm trying to hold these on for 2 weeks to see if there's any lifting, so I can give you guys an update video on that kit. But I'm kind of bored. Maybe I'll just change the design or something. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Also, please let me know what videos you guys want to see upcoming. I'm trying to put out more content since we're all home, and let me know exactly what you want to see, and I will do my best to accommodate. I can give you design videos, I can give you poly gel, acrylic, full set, full set on myself, full set using my flexi hand. Just let me know what you guys want to see. And then also, I am planning a 1,500 subscriber giveaway. However, I don't want to go to the post office right now. So I'm thinking of postponing my giveaways until kind of everything clears up, and then just do a giveaway with multiple winners. Let me know what you guys think. Also, a lot of stuff isn't really shipping as fast. Like if I were to do a giveaway and order something off like Amazon and ship it directly to you, it's taking so long to ship out. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I wait until we're able to move freely in the world again and do one giveaway with multiple winners? Or should I just send you something with a long wait time from Amazon? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So, and that would be the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. Also, I do want to say thank you to my subscribers, especially to my subscribers that always comment on my videos. Like I'll post and then like 15 minutes later, I have comments or whatever. So I know you guys have your notifications on. I really, really, really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys also that listen to me ramble in my videos and actually comment something that I've said in the videos. I really appreciate all of you guys. I really appreciate the engagement. So definitely, please keep watching my videos. Please keep engaging. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon for another video. Thank you again so much for watching.